Hello. I've put together this spreadsheet here. I just want to give a little more information. I've given a tour of it before, but I've switched it out. Before I had the data, the data sets, so you had to update them yourself. Now they're all automatically imported from the John Hopkins data sources. So all you have to do is use the spreadsheet or copy it for your own good. Essentially, I have a number of graphs you can look through. The data is set here. You can create your own graphs if you want. But essentially what we have here is we have 4 charts. The one down below, this is only up to the 26th, though it does not contain today's, which would include a lot more locations. But it shows the new cases, where they are and how many. It also has down here the new deaths, where those occurred. And then up top, these two graphs I find fairly useful. Let's look at mainland China, because that gives us a better, since there's so much data there, it gives us a better idea of what we're looking at. Essentially, we have, this shows, the X's show how the death rate is stabilizing or sort of stabilizing towards a particular percentage of the cases, and the confirmed cases are in the gray, the dark gray. And then if you notice, I also have the active cases. So the active cases is subtracting the recovered data from it. So you can see how it gets the bell curve, or the curve here. Once again, this will probably sine wave for a while, or it might, if the virus goes extinct, it will deteriorate to 0, of course, which would be the optimal solution. This second one here, essentially we have the recovered percentage versus the death rate percentage. So we'll see how those top out. This will these may be different based on the locations, so you could monitor how the different locations are giving you different numbers. Then down below, I already showed you those. These right here, I have this this one right here estimates it for whatever location you're on. So if you go to US, it'll give you, there's no death rate yet here. And then let me go to Iran. Iran, they have a high death rate, yes, yet a low case count. So what this one will do is, the cases are 135, 139 at this point. It's much higher today. And then the CFR is 13.67%. So if we reduce that down to the average, which is 3.4, we would see what the actual estimate would be for Iran. But who knows? You always have to remember that there's a lag time for the death rate. So this would be for a number of days ago, a week ago. So the case count would be much higher even than this number. Okay, that's all I have to have for you today. Thank you.